All right, so today is Wednesday, which means we are here at Fox13 getting ready to introduce the next pet of the day who's up for adoption. Today we have Molly. She's a 5-year-old pit bull. She's a shelter transfer from Davis County from animal control. My guess is maybe she got away from her owner and now she needs a new home. She was never claimed. So she's gonna make her debut today on Fox13. Let me turn the camera around here. So this is Molly. She's a pit bull mix, 42 pounds. $150, super affordable investment. She comes microchipped, spaded, and vaccination shots, all in that fee of $150. And come here, Molly. She is a pit bull mix. Let me see if I can get her to turn around. Molly, Molly, there you go. Look at this cute face. Look at that cute face. Okay, so she is going to make her debut right now in the Fox13 studios. So if you're not doing anything, at about 11:57, you can turn on the TV and check out Molly. She is up for adoption. She's super high energy, super friendly, a big cuddler. She jumped on Houston's lap while driving down here to the studios, and you can see she just wants to play. She just wants to play. And so if you're thinking about, adding a new addition to your family, Molly here is a cute, warm-spirited pup. So, yeah, check it out again, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, thanks so much.